Hey guys, some of my beginner students have asked me how to play flams. Flams seem like something that would be obvious and simple, but sometimes we overlook things that are obvious and simple. So I'm going to show you a great way to play a perfect flam every time.
So a flam is just the equivalent of a grace note on a different instrument. It is a small embellishment note that's right before the main note. So single notes, single strokes without flams are just like this. If you add flams, if you make them flams, just a small note right before the main note. A flat flam is if the two sticks hit exactly at the same time, and you don't want that generally. A good flam is it's just going to sound like slightly different sound, but you're not really going to hear both notes unless you're playing open flams. Open flams have a wider range, wider space between the notes. Closed flams have a smaller space between the notes. But an easy way to play flams, and this is something I didn't realize when I was a student until one of my teachers pointed it out to me. If you hold the main stick, the large note, higher than the small stick, the one playing the flam, and just drop them, you're always going to have a good flam. So if you use your stick height to play flams, you're always going to have a nice sounding flam, and you're not going to get flat flams. So just raise the main note a little bit higher than the small note of the flam. Now of course, the faster you go, the less space you're going to want in here, because you get lower to play quicker. But as long as it's a little bit higher, you're going to have a nice flam. And that's how to play flams.